So welcome back to another epic tech review with your boy Tamino25. That's me, guys, that's me. I'm Tamino25 and welcome back to another epic tech review. And as you can tell today, we have the beautiful Nintendo Switch. That's right, we got one. So this is what you can expect when you open the box and getting inside of your Switch. So let's open this up. Got a little flap there, open that up. Inside, it's a pretty cool layout by Nintendo. They've even got this like lift off thing, so you lift this out of here like that, and then the rest is revealed underneath. So let's see, what have we got? We have the Switch. A lovely finish actually on the Switch, it's quite nice. It's got a little kickstand at the back here. Also, Joy-Cons, which slide into like that. Boom. Switch is ready. I like this one. This one I think looks cooler than the grey one. What else do we have in here? Inside the box, as always, a manual.
A few moments later.
Charging cable. It's a USB-C, which plugs straight at the bottom here. Like so. And then that goes into a power cable. Then we have HDMI lead. If you guys didn't know, you can actually connect this to your TV as well, so it comes with one of those. Also, we get Joy-Con inside for your Joy-Cons to go into. You actually get the control pad bit. That's pretty cool, they give you this.
Wow!
And then you've got these attached to the Joy-Cons. And then this is obviously the dock. Oh wow, it's nice, look at that. Cable attachments is at the back. And you've got the actual inputs there on the side. Bit plastic, but I guess so long it does the job. That's everything in the box. Let's set up the TV. Let's set up this thing. Right, this TV's there. Just got to connect this to it. It's pretty straightforward. Not that I read the manual or anything, but from what I can guess is it's really quite lengthy. HDMI cable connects to here, so that goes to HDMI out. And it's quite nice how they made this little groove on the side for the cables to feed through. And then we need the AC adapter. Oh, it's got a USB input. What's that? I wonder what that's for. I don't know. Power cable. Power cable. Also, quite a long power cable. This also goes through here. Goes into this one here. You can close this now. And then you've got these two cables coming out the side. This is quite a nice, neat thing they've done. Now let's just connect this to the back of the telly. That HDMI cable is going to go into the side of the TV. Right, so basically we're going to put this down here, like this. And then if you come around this side, I'll show you how you connect it to your telly. So the power cable goes in to here. And then the HDMI cable goes into here. Like that. HDMI cable is there, and the plug is just there. So initially, I did show you guys that I put the thing here, but I've moved it to here because it's not actually in the way of the TV screen. So that's actually quite good, the height that they've chosen. So that's its home. So once you've done all that, then it's time to connect your Switch. Okay, so I've got the Switch, it's on. Just got to detach the arms. Very easy to do, just there's a switch at the back here. Just press that, disconnect. Same one on the red side, it's just there. Again, press that. Freeze! Detach. So now that's both Joy-Cons detached from the Switch. So first things first, switch on your telly. So you just basically drop this like this into the actual slot. And then it should be on your TV screen like this. One really cool thing you can do once you've got it like this, and this is only if you're not playing two players. If you're playing one player, you take your controller thing that you got with it for free and you slide your Joy-Cons into here like this. Now bearing in mind the Joy-Cons do have lights on here, the green ones, which show you the current charge of your Joy-Cons. The Joy-Con charges from the Switch itself. So when you're not using this, stick them on your Switch so they charge. So now you can actually game just like this using the actual Joy-Con. We're playing Mario Kart 8. So anyway, we're going to get back to some gaming. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have, smash that thumbs up as always, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss more epic tech videos just like this one. So until then, as always, stay safe, stay awesome, and peace.